Dirty interior? Not to worry. Today we're going to show you guys how to remove food stains only using one product. Let's get started. Let's get started. As you guys can see, this interior is super dirty. It has all kinds of crumbs from cookies and crackers and Rice Krispies and chocolate brownies, gummies, you name it. Whatever it is, it's in here. Now, we did use this vehicle for a shoot, and as you guys can tell, this thing got pretty messy. You have this nasty brownie stains over here, which kind of signify almost something else that I don't really want to talk about because it looks and smells really bad in here. But today we're going to show you guys how to clean that up. But the first thing to note before you start any kind of interior cleaning is you have to get the big stuff out of the way, like this. You want to make sure that you pick up all the bigger stuff, all the bigger particles, just kind of get that stuff out of the way. So we're going to go ahead and pick up the bigger items, and then we're going to go ahead and vacuum the rest before we get to the cleaning part. So let me just go ahead and just get this stuff out the way, and I'll be right back. All right guys, so now that we vacuumed and got the heavier stuff out of the way, now we can start with the cleaning. Now the one product I mentioned to you guys is actually our Lightning Fast Stain Extractor. Now this works many different ways. You can dilute it or use it as is. In this case, we're gonna need that full strength. So what we're gonna do right now is actually spray some directly onto the surface and just check out the foaming action that you get already. That foam is really what's gonna help us uplift all the embedded dirt and grime. And I'm also gonna be pairing it with our Nifty brush right here. And then in order to clean this, we're just gonna simply scrub it. And you can see that the cleaner does an incredible job at foaming. And that foam, it's not just for looks, that foam actually serves a purpose. And that purpose is to uplift whatever is caught within the material. So that foam is doing its best right now to basically break all that stuff down, uplift it, get it out from your fabrics and upholstery to give you that nice, thorough, deep clean. Then after you scrub a pretty good amount, you can go ahead and grab a microfiber towel and buff off any excess. Now you guys can already see there's a huge difference. I mean, that stain right there, luckily, because we got to it on time, it's easy for us to clean it up, but you can still see that there's stuff that's left behind. But just check out my towel. That's all the dirt, grime, chocolate, poop, whatever it was that was on there. That's all that stuff that was on there, and you know, that lets you know that you've extracted it properly. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray a little bit more Lightning Fast on the areas that I feel like I need to use it. And then we're just gonna go back with our brush, just scrub left, right, up and down, and just basically do this till we're all done. So let me go ahead and finish up doing this, and then I'll show you guys the final results. All right guys, and that's gonna wrap it up for this video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to give us a huge like, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and as always, if you guys wanna pick up any of the products shown on today's video, you can pick them up directly on our website, chemicalguys.com, or at your local detail garage store. My name is Joey, this is Chemical Guys, we'll see you next time.